What's up, you guys? Today is my maintenance day. I've been putting off my hair washing for a while. Pretty scary. So I'm gonna try and soak my nails without acetone. So I'm gonna put some warm water and dish soap and some salt in here and soak them for like 30 minutes.
Somebody else to do it. Sweet like honey, never work like I got my head and I run my tummy. Engine running, 10 laps but we still gon' stack 'cause the people love me. Say I'm stunning, I'ma show up like a Halloween bunny. Bring me my money, bring me my money, bring me my money, bring me my money, bring me my money. Don't you see what I'm into? Y'all speaking tongues, I can put it on the menu. Sweet like honey, double book like I pat my head and I rub my tummy. Engine running, 10 laps but we still gon' stack 'cause the people love me. Say I'm stunning, I'ma show up like a Halloween bunny. Bring me my money, bring me my money.
Okay, now that I have my nails done, I'm gonna take care of this mane. Okay, so now I'm basically just gonna let it dry, but I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, my hair's been drying. I've separated a few curls. And now I'm gonna put on my outfit.